Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a logo into your YouTube shorts. So select your video and I'm just going to place it at 9 by 16, like the frame ratio, to upload it as like a YouTube short. Then I'm going to add in a logo. You can add any logo you want, just adjust the duration till the end. Make it smaller and place it wherever you want. I'm just going to place it on the bottom corner here. You can also adjust the opacity if you don't want it to like there, I guess. But that is pretty much it. It is that simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.